Hi, first grade. Who's ready for some math today? We're on 8.2, so find the page that looks just like this. And we're going to build on what we did yesterday by comparing the lengths. So the instructions for the front page say find two things in your house. I have a pen and a pencil. And I'm not going to do this because my marker does not work very well, but you are going to. And draw those two things. And it says put on X on the thing that's shorter. So if I were to draw this, I would put an X on the pen because it's shorter. I want to remind you as we're doing this math lesson, if it's too fast for you, pause the video, do your job, and then keep the video going. We're going to move on to the next page. Let's see. Ooh, oh no, I don't want it to do that. Let's zoom out a little bit. There we go. All right, again, how this is going to work. I'm going to do the guided lesson with you, then you're going to do the homework all by yourself. So let's get started. It says you can compare and order the lengths of objects. Remember we talked about ER and EST? Yesterday we just used ER. Today we're going to use ER and EST. It says the pencil is longer than the scissors. Comparing two things, we use ER. And the paint set is longest. Oh, more than two things, we use EST. So they used numbers. They said, number one, the scissors are the shortest. Number two, they said the pencil was in the middle. And number three, they said the paint is the longest. Again, the bookmark is shorter than the paintbrush, ER, two things. The pencil is the shortest, more than one. We have three things, EST. So we'll label them with numbers, 3, 2, and 1. Again, if I go too fast, just pause. It says, find the objects in your classroom, compare. We're just going to use the pictures. It says, which is shorter? Ooh, ER, comparing two things. We'll circle the paints because they're shorter. Number 2, which is longer? Ooh, two things again, ER. The crayon or the pencil? We can see that that pencil is longer. For number 3, we're going to label them 1, 2, and 3. It says order the objects by length. Write 1 for long, 2 for longer, and 3 for longest. Good thing we've already had lots of practice at ER and EST. We know those comparing words. Let's see, the 1 for long, 2 for longer, and 3 for longest. So the longest thing is going to be 3, and let's work backwards. Which one do you think is the longest? That glue and that crayon are pretty much tied, but let's call the crayon the longest, and that glue longer, and the paper clip long. All right, back to ER, number 4, which is shorter? Scissors or glue? Looks to me like those scissors are shorter. Number 5, which is longer? Ooh, ER, two things. Which one is longer? I'll let you circle it. Good job, the crayon is longer. I wonder what color that is, some kind of purple. Okay, again, we're going to label. It says order the objects by length. I'm going to underline the word shorter because it's looking for to order it by shorter. Number 1 for short, 2 for shorter, and 3 for shortest. I think it's easiest to work backwards. So let's find the shortest thing and label it 3. You're right, I think that eraser is the shortest. Let's label it 3. Okay, a little bit bigger than the eraser is this hole punch. We'll call that 2. And the notebook is the short one, and we'll label it 1. Okay, again, order the objects by length. Write 1 for long, 2 for longer, and 3 for longest. Again, I think it's easiest to work backwards. So let's label the longest thing first. You're right, that paintbrush is the longest. Okay, in the middle. You're right, I think that this marker is in the middle, and the long one is paints. Again, it's probably easier to work backwards. If that doesn't work for your brain, try it the other way. Okay, again, John has 3 objects. How should he order the objects from shortest to longest? Okay, so the shortest one, let's work forwards this time. The shortest one, you're right, is this cube, 1. In the middle, the crayon, and the longest is that pencil, ER-E-S-T. Tia owns 3 iguanas. Now we're on number 9. Tia owns 3 iguanas. How should she order the iguanas from longest? Longest is the first one to shortest. So we want the longest one is going to be number 1. Okay, you're right. This iguana is the longest. In the middle and the shortest. Good job. Number 10, Zoe. Oh, Zoe, I hope you're watching this video. We have your name in our video today. Zoe writes 1 for long, 2 for longer, and 3 for longest. Tell why Zoe is wrong and make it right. So number 3, again, let's work backwards. Number 3 should be the longest. Oops, it looks like she got them backwards. So let's cross it out. This one is the longest. This, that's in the middle, that's right. But this one is long. So we have long, longer, longest. So what did she do? She went backwards, had the order backwards. You can write that in the space, but I want you to cross those out. All right, good job, first grade. You have done the lesson. Now it's your turn to do the homework. It's the same thing. Remember my suggestion, working backwards is a little bit easier. All right, good luck and have fun. Enjoy. Goodbye, first grade.